my name is Haven. Today we're gonna read. Can you say dinosaur? Can you say dinosaur? I am the cat in the hat. You have met me before. Today I will speak out of the great dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived on Earth long ago, before you and me. So how do we know? From fossils. Dinosaur teeth, eggs, and bone got stuck in the mud, muck. Then that muck turned into stone. These fossils are old. They are dusty and worn because they were made long before you were born. Not hundreds of years, not thousands of years, but millions of years, long before you were born. Dinosaur hunters dig in the ground. All over the earth, these fossils are found. The hunters use tools to chip all day. The fossils came loose when they peck them away.
Yeah.
Fossils can crumble because they are old. So dinosaur hunters must first make a mold. To the dinosaur labs, every bone, tooth, and bit is carefully chipped to see how they fit. Is this a leg bone? Maybe a muscle? It's a crazy mixed-up dinosaur puzzle. Step up and enter the museum hall. There were dinosaurs stand. Some are big, some are small. Here we'll play the best of all games. Can you say the dinosaur names? And after you've seen them, you then get to see them. What? Said them. In the Cats in the Hat Super Dino Museum. Dinosaur names are not easy to read, but give it a try. I will help you if you need. Can you say Ankylosaurus? With a club for a tail and a back full of spikes, this dino was strong like an army tank. Yikes! Now can you say Maiasaura? There's one thing we know that this dino did best. She kept her kids cozy and safe in their nest. She kept the nest tidy. She got her kids food. She was a good mother to her dino brood. Now say Tyrannosaurus Rex. You said that quite nice. Now you'd better go. T-Rex is no kitten. I think you should know. This T-Rex was strong, with long teeth sharp as knives. When most dinosaurs saw him, they ran for their lives. Like this guy. T-Rex was a hunter. He hunted for meat. Other dinosaurs were his idea for a tasty treat. Carnivores is a name that we give to dinosaurs like this, who ate meat to live. Oh, can you say Triceratops? This dinosaur's head had 3 horns upon it, sticking up out of a hard sort of bonnet. But though he was smaller and not half as fierce, his head was too hard for T-Rex teeth to pierce. So after a few dozen snaps at his face, T-Rex looked for dinner in some other place. Oh, can you say Apatosaurus? Yeah. I've gotten this rather tall ladder was here for us to see eye to eye with Apatosaurus. These dinosaurs' long neck reached up high into trees, where they fed on green leaves just as much as they'd please. Herbivores is the name that we give to dinosaurs like these, who ate plants to live. Can you say Brachiosaurus? This dino was taller than 51 feet. That's almost taller than our house, or like Big Ben. And just now, much food do you think he could eat? Nearly as much as a truckload of hay is what he could gobble day after day. That's how he grew to his size, as you see. The cat in the hat must just comes up to his knee. There it is. He's nowhere as smart as you or me. His brain is the size of a small zucchini. That's like, no, that's the thing. I think that's wrong. It's like small as, I think it's small as a ping pong ball. Oh, can you say iguanodon? Wait, what? Iguanodon? Is it there's 2 iguanodons here?
No, just one and a...
No, there are 2. Where is it? Yeah. Mysora. What he did with his thumb, we think what we know. We think what he used it to jab at his foe. Now say Deinonychus. Trouble Claw.
Terrible
Claw. I think that's his nickname. Is what its name means. We think that this dinosaur hunted in teams. Yeah, they work as a team. I thought they're velociraptors. They look like velociraptors, but they're Deinonychus. Can you say Archaeopteryx? Erex, Apteryx, Archaeopteryx. Opteryx. This fine feather friend is the earliest known. This bone bird might have glided. This bird might have flown. One thing we must ask, and we must be quite firm. If this bird was so early, did he catch a worm? Yay, that's my tail. Dun dun. It's getting late now. I see night is falling. The museum is closing. Your mother is calling. Before you head home, dear Sally and Dick, I have a surprise that is really quite slick.
Surprise.
This dino's is earliest. Cat that is known. No one has seen it. It's never been shown. It's super terrific. It stands there before us. Oh, say, can you say the Megavolution? Cat in the Hatosaurus. Dun 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 dun. The end. That's a lot of pages. This is a fact. So did you know all dinosaurs are not just boys and girls? They're just girls. Ferocious ladies. If you want me to read another book, then send the message to me.